Welcome to all. Today's lesson is Electricity and Magnetism, presented by Dr. S. Karthikarani, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, CPA College, Bodhi. Atoms have neutrons, protons, and electrons. Protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged. Electrons are located on the outer edges of atoms. They can be moved. A concentration of electrons in an atom creates a net negative charge. If electrons are stripped away, the atom becomes positively charged. The world is filled with electrical charges. That means it consists of positive charge and negative charges. What is the electrical potential called? Static electricity. Static electricity, the buildup of an electric charge on the surface of an object. The charge builds up but does not flow. Static electricity is potential energy. It does not move. It is stored. Static discharge occurs when there is a loss of static electricity due to three possible things. Friction occurs due to rubbing. Conduction through the direct contact. Induction through an electrical field, not direct contact. Electricity that moves current, the flow of electrons from one place to another. It is measured in ampere. It is one form of kinetic energy. How can we control currents? With circuits. Circuit means it is a path for the flow of electrons. We use wires. There are two types of current. Direct current, where electrons flow in the same direction in a wire. There are two types of current. Another one is alternating current. Electrons flow in different direction in a wire. Series circuit. The components are lined up along one path. If the circuit is broken, all components turn off. Series. This is the circuit for series circuit. There are two types of circuits. Parallel circuit. There are several branching paths to the components. If the circuit is broken at any one branch, only the components on that branch will turn off. This is the circuit for parallel circuit. This is the component for this circuit. Conductors. Materials through which electric current flows easily. Insulators. Materials through which electric current cannot move. Examples for conductors: metal and water, etc. Insulators: rubber, plastic, paper, etc. What is resistance? In the opposition to the flow of an electric current producing heat. The greater the resistance, the less current gets through. Good conductors have low resistance. It is measured in ohms. What influences resistance? Material of wire. Aluminium and copper have low resistance. Thickness. The thicker the wire, the lower the resistance. Length. Shorter wire has lower resistance. Temperature. Lower temperature has lower resistance. What is voltage? The measure of energy given to the charge flowing in a circuit. The greater the voltage, the greater the force or pressure that drives the charge through the circuit. Difference between volts and amperes. Example, you could say that ampere measure how much water comes out of a hose. Volts measure how hot the water comes out of a hose. Ohm's law, resistance equal to voltage by current. Ohms is equal to volt per ampere. What is an electromagnet? Electromagnet is a magnet made from a current bearing coil of wire wrapped around an iron or steel core. What is a generator? Generator is a machine that changes mechanical energy to electrical energy. Usually use moving magnets to create currents in coils of wire. What is a motor? Motor is a device that changes electrical energy to mechanical energy that can do work. Thank you.